Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code, DTC B1042, indicates a front wiper security line error in Honda CRV models from 2017 to 2022. This code specifically refers to an issue detected by the body control module, BCM, which plays a crucial role in controlling various electronic functionalities in the vehicle, including wiper operations. The BCM is typically located under the dashboard or in the driver's side footwell area, housing several connections that manage integrated systems. The front wiper security line error can prevent the windshield wipers from functioning correctly, thus impacting visibility and overall safety while driving. It is essential to address this issue promptly to ensure that the wipers are operational, especially in adverse weather conditions. The troubleshooting process will examine various components, including wiring integrity and module functionality, ensuring that all elements related to this error are assessed thoroughly. DTC B1042 signifies a problem with the front wiper security line, a function monitored by the body control module, BCM. The BCM is integral to controlling multiple electrical functions within the vehicle, including the windshield wipers. Its primary location is typically behind the dashboard near the driver's footwell. This code indicates that there is a malfunction, which may lead to inoperable windshield wipers, impacting the driver's visibility. It is imperative to understand that the BCM communicates with the wiper control module to determine operational status and respond accordingly. The wipers are critical safety features, and their performance must be reliable. Therefore, diagnosing this error should be prioritized to maintain vehicle safety. Several potential causes can lead to the DTC B1042 appearing in Honda CRV models. One major cause is a short in the backup wiper line, which may lead to the circuit being unintentionally grounded, thereby disabling the wipers. Another possibility is an open backup wiper line, indicating a break in the wiring that connects the BCM with the wiper control unit. This can occur due to fraying or corrosion over time. Additionally, loose or poor connections, often stemming from wear and tear, can also trigger this error. It's crucial to examine the wiring rigorously, since the wiper system relies heavily on these connections to function properly. Identifying the exact cause will steer the technician toward the most effective repair solution. When DTC B1042 is present, one of the most pronounced symptoms is that the windshield wipers become inoperable. The driver may notice that no matter the setting on the wiper switch, there is no movement of the wipers on the windshield. This lack of operation can significantly decrease visibility during rain or other weather conditions, making driving hazardous. Additionally, the vehicle's diagnostic scanner will display the DTC indication, alerting the technician to investigate further. In some cases, the wipers may not respond to controls at all, which can compound the issue. Recognizing these symptoms early is vital for timely and effective resolution. Ensuring safety remains a priority. The first step in troubleshooting DTC B1042 involves clearing the DTCs using the HDS or Honda Diagnostic System. After clearing, the vehicle should be turned to the off-lock mode and then back to the on mode to reset electronic systems. This process allows the BCM to refresh its memory and potentially clear any false error codes. After cycling the ignition, using the HDS again, the technician should check for any DTCs displayed. If DTC B1042 reappears, it confirms an existing issue. Conversely, if the DTC is not present, it suggests that the system may have resolved the problem, though further inspection for loose or poor connections is still advisable. In the second troubleshooting step for DTC B1042, the vehicle must first be turned to the off-lock mode. ensuring all systems are inactive. The technician will then disconnect two crucial connectors: the body control module connector B36P and the windshield wiper control unit/motor 6P connector. This disconnection creates an isolated testing environment. With these connectors removed, the next step is to check for continuity between specific test points. In this case, test point 1 is the windshield wiper control unit/motor 6P connector number 3, and test point 2 is body ground. Conducting this continuity check while the vehicle is off will reveal whether there is a short circuit, which, if present, would indicate a short to ground in the backup wiper wire. In this final troubleshooting step for DTC B1042, continuity between specific test points must again be checked while the vehicle is in off-lock mode, with the previously mentioned connectors still disconnected. The test is performed between body control module connector B36P number 10 and windshield wiper control unit/motor 6P connector number 3. If continuity exists between these points, it indicates that the backup wiper off wire is functioning correctly, leading to the conclusion that the problem may reside within the windshield wiper control unit or motor. If the DTC continues after replacing the wiper control unit, the technician should then consider replacing the body control module as the next step. Should continuity not be present, it suggests an open or poor connection in the wire that must be rectified. After completing all necessary repairs pertaining to DTC B1042, it's essential to conduct a final verification process. Testing the windshield wipers to confirm their functionality is the first step. They should operate as intended across all settings. Following this operational test, the technician should reconnect the HDS scanner to check for any DTCs that may remain. If no DTCs are indicated, it confirms successful repair. Additionally, ensuring that all electrical connections are secure is crucial to prevent recurrence of the issue. Verification aims not just to resolve the immediate problem, but also to safeguard against future complications regarding wiper operation. Preventive maintenance is crucial in minimizing the likelihood of recurring DTC B1042 and ensuring the overall reliability of the vehicle's wiper system. Regular inspections of both the body control module and the windshield wiper control unit are recommended to catch potential issues early. Routine checking of the connectors for signs of wear, corrosion, or loose fittings will help maintain optimal function. Additionally, keeping the electrical connections clean and free from dirt or debris can enhance the durability of the system. This proactive approach can help reduce repair frequency and extend the lifespan of the components involved in wiper operation, ensuring safety in varying driving conditions. In conclusion, DTC B1042 denotes a front wiper security line error in Honda CRV models 2017 to 2022, primarily affecting the functionality of windshield wipers. Understanding the role of the body control module and its connections is essential for effective troubleshooting. The main diagnostic journey involves verifying DTCs, checking for wire shorts, and confirming continuity in the backup wiper line. Successfully addressing this DTC improves vehicle safety by ensuring wiper operation and driver visibility. Furthermore, adherence to preventive maintenance strategies can mitigate future challenges, affirming the importance of regular inspections and upkeep of electrical connections. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.